Yo, check this out.
Okay.
I am Joe, God of
Those fireworks.
fireworks. Fireworks.
Oh man, these are amazing.
You like him, Noah?
Yes, Joseph.
Whoa. The fireworks are happening. The fireworks are happening.
Now we're gonna have to look at those again, and I saw those, but
Oh my gosh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
I don't know, Mr. Finger. These look absolutely beautiful.
Oh yeah, they certainly do.
Yeah, they really are.
Hey, I'm supposed to be the real one.
I'm your brother, remember?
Whatever.
Okay.
Awesome.
Wow, that was a big one.
So huge.
Wow. Pretty cool, right?
Face reveal.
I did a face reveal, so...
Cool. Yeah, let me see it. Y'all see this? This is the fireworks. They are so really cool.
I kinda love them. We couldn't see them over here, so that's important. And this, approved. That was a big one. Oh, hi.
Man.
Pretty cool, right?
Sure is, Noah.
Wait.
Face reveal again. Oh, that was right next to me. Watch this. I can be behind the fireworks still. Someone behind me, isn't there?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm Mr. Finger. I can transform anyway.
Since Frog plushie isn't there, I can see them.
Oh, that's so cool. This is so cool.
You see this? This is so wild. I mean, man, I must have been learning stuff in my imagination. We have to say approved because those fireworks are so cool. Big one. There's fireworks everywhere. Well guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this thing if you love fireworks. Approved.